10th டேபிள். இது வந்து 5 டேபிள் வரைக்கும். அடுத்தது 10th டேபிள் கீழே. இது வந்து 10th டேபிள். இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் டேபிள்ஸ் அதுதான் பார்க்க போறோம். சரி, ஒன்றாம் வாய்ப்பாடு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். நான் ரெண்டாவது சொல்கிறேன். 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30, 2 16s are 32, 2 17s are 34, 2 18s are 36, 2 19s are 38, 2 20s are 40, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Thank you, Madam. 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36, 3 13s are 39, 3 14s are 42, 3 15s are 45, 3 16s are 48, 3 17s are 51, 3 18s are 54, 3 19s are 57, 3 20s are 60, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 52, 4 14s are 56, 4 15s are 60, 4 16s are 64, 4 17s are 68, 4 18s are 72, 4 19s are 76, 4 20s are 80, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55. Thank you, Madam. 5 12s are 60, 5 13s are 65, 5 14s are 70, 5 15s are 75, 5 16s are 80, 5 17s are 85, 5 18s are 90, 5 19s are 95, 5 20s are 100. That's the 60 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 35, 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 44, 6 tens are 60. 6 11s are 66. 6 12s are 72. 6 13s are 78. 6 14s are 84. 6 15s are 90. 6 16s are 96. 6 17s are 102. 6 18s are 108. 6 19s are 114. 6 20s are 120. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 5 are தானப்பா வரணும். 7 5 are தானே வரணும். 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 7 11s are 77. 7 12s are 84. 7 13s are 91. 7 14s are 98. 7 15s are 105. 7 16s are 112. 7 17s are 119. 7 18s are 126. கரெக்டாவா? 126. 7 19s are 133. 7 20s are 140. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 8 11s are 88. 8 12s are 96. 8 13s are 104. 8 14s are 112. 8 15s are 120. 8 16s are 128. 8 17s are 136. 136. 8 18s are 144. 8 19s are 152. 8 20s are 160. Ninth table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 15 fives are 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 54s. 9 6 are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 tens are 81. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. 9 11s are 99. 9 12s are 108. 9 13s are 170. 9 14s are 126. 9 15s are 135. 9 15s are 135. 9 16s are 144. 9 17s are 154. 50 is 30 is 53. 18s are 162. 19s are 171. 20s are 180. 10th table. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 six are 60. 10 sevens are 70.
கொஞ்சம் லேசா குனிஞ்சு சேருடா.
10
முஞ்சிய இங்க நின்னுங்க
10 ones are 10.
இரு 10th டேபிள் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு see
10th table. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 13. 10 fours are 14. 10 fives are 15. 50 எல்லாமே 50. 10 six are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100.
சொல்லு.
10 11s are 110. 10 12s are 120. 10 13s are 130. 10 14s are 140. 10 15s are 150. 10 16s are 160. 10 17s are 170. 10 18s are 180. 10 19s are 190. 10 20s are 200. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா டாஸ்கால் ஆடன் சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, அப்புறம் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல சொல்லுங்க.